how to turn on the front screen display on the GoPro 9 or 10. So what you want to do is on the back here, on the back display, I'm going to go back to the main screen here, and then you want to swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the display settings, this icon right here. So tap on that. Then in here you have two options. You can choose an actual screen. This is what the actual screen look like. And then you got full screen. So this is what it looks like in full screen. And other options are status only, so it only shows the status. Or you can choose off, so we'll turn off the display. So because we want to turn it on, so you can choose either actual screen or the full screen. And that's it. And that is how you can turn on the display, the front screen display on the GoPro 9 or 10. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.